Have you ever wondered about people's pattern? People in tropical climate wear cotton, whereas people in cooler climate wear woolen. Now, this is people's pattern which is followed globally by everyone, right? Now, where am I getting with this? Wait, I will explain. But before that, here's an interesting question for you. Imagine a business that sells woolen clothes. Does it make sense for it to open a store in Goa or in Delhi, or should that business pivot to selling linen and cotton clothes in coastal climates? Can you figure how much will that pivot just for one region cost? Should they not pivot at all? Can that business open a store at the Goa airport if locals are traveling to colder climates from Goa? If they open a store at the airport, will they get enough sales to make profit? To find out answer to all these questions, you will need a lot of information on-ground survey reports, market trend analysis, government guidelines, charges, and a lot of similar stuff. But the point I'm trying to make here is that these patterns exist naturally, but for businesses, these patterns are the important things that influence decisions, and acquiring them is very important. To arrive at the right decision, businesses have to use information or data in the right way. But how does this data comes in the right hands? Yes, you guessed it right. It's by data mining. In today's world, where some companies are just harnessing the data, others are solely dependent on making business decisions. Every day, more and more businesses are starting to use data mining, data analytics, and machine learning to improve everything from manufacturing to sales to marketing. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you what is data mining exactly and what does a data scientist do. Hi, I am Tanya and you're watching Inside AI Mill. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so the video reaches everyone. Data mining is the process of collecting massive volumes of data and analyzing them and eventually discovering solutions for existing problems. The name comes from the similarities between searching the valuable information in a large database and mining the earth for ore. Both processes require sifting through tremendous amount of material to find that hidden value. Not only discovering solutions, but data mining can also help foreseeing future risks and can also help businesses to find any new opportunities. Earlier, people would have to encounter problems, risks, or opportunities in real life, or they would have predicted them. Eventually, the solution to those problems would be by intuition or their team or their employees. Obviously, these would lead to human error, but with computer models, all these errors have minimized to almost zero. And data mining is not only more accurate, but it is also way more efficient. More work in less time. It's an overall win-win situation. Data mining practitioners typically achieve timely, reliable results by following a structured, repeatable process by following these 6 simple steps. Number 1, business understanding. Understanding what the business is, what the long-term and short-term goals are, and what are the aims of the decision makers. Number 2, data understanding. Determining what type of data will be needed to achieve those goals. What metrics will actually show progress and which one should you not be paying attention to. For clothes sales, does one need to pay attention to the price of the fabric and making cost, or the walk-ins expected at the store, or the conjunction of the both? Think about it. Number 3, data preparation. Preparing and presenting your data in a way that anyone sitting in that conference room can understand. Don't use jargon. Simple, easy to understand language is what works the best. As a data analyst, a big part of the job is breaking down complex metrics into simple, easy to understand terms. Number 4, modeling. Histograms, pie charts, graphs, or just plain simple words. In that way, can you model your data to display the patterns? By the way, data visualization is a subset of data studies where people learn how to present data in a more effective and coherent model. And remember, every data analyst needs to have a grasp of visualization to become a pro. And the last number is number 5, evaluation. Checking data and seeing the underlying problems or opportunities that the patterns are showing, and how can your business capitalize on them. All of these steps together can help a data scientist find hidden patterns, tips, and solutions through data. But just the patterns are not enough. Picking clues from the patterns to form actionable insights is the primary job of a data miner or a data scientist that they undertake. So that was my take on data mining. If you have any questions or queries, please comment in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer it for you. We regularly come up with videos like these to keep you up with AI updates and trends. We are trying to build a strong AI community in India, and if you wish to be at this forefront, visit Inside AIML. It is India's most advanced AI learners community. I'll see you next time. Bye.